Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of October 23rd, 2021. The first question is, who among the following named as Chairman of United World Wrestling Athletes Commission? The options are A. Himadas, B. Chufalkian, C. Daniel, and D. Rafiq. The correct answer is B. Chufalkian. Chufalkian, named as Chairman of United World Wrestling Athletes Commission. Armenia's Chufalkian has been a member of the Athletes Commission since 2007. Chufalkian, who claimed 75 kilos gold at the World Championship in Tashkent in 2014. The second question is, which of the following wins India Green Energy Award in the category Outstanding Renewable Energy User? The options are A. Honda Motor, B. Hero Motor, C. Suzuki Motor, and D. TVS Motor. The correct answer is D. TVS Motor. TVS Motor wins India Green Energy Award in the category Outstanding Renewable Energy User. The award was presented by Nitin Gadkari, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. And the third question is, which of the following has won the Earth Guardian Award? The options are A. Parambukulam Tiger Conservation Foundation, B. Anamalai Tiger Reserve, C. Silent Valley National Park, and D. Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. And the correct answer is Parambukulam Tiger Conservation Foundation. Parambukulam Tiger Conservation Foundation has won the Earth Guardian Award for its efforts in supporting the conservation of tigers and biodiversity. The award was instituted by NatWest Group India, formerly RBS India. The fourth question is, which of the following government has announced that Bhaskarabda, a luni solar calendar, will be used as an official calendar? The options are A. Rajasthan, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Assam, and D. Manipur. And the correct answer is C. Assam. Assam government has announced that Bhaskarabda, a luni solar calendar, will be used as an official calendar. Bhaskarabda, an era counted from the date of the ascension of a 7th century local ruler, Bhaskar Varman. It is based on both the phases of the moon and the solar year. It began when Bhaskara Varman was crowned ruler of the Kamrupa kingdom. He was a contemporary and political ally of modern Indian ruler Harshavardhana. The fifth question is, which of the following organization has launched a program called AI Innovate Program? The options are A. Google, B. Facebook, C. Microsoft, and D. Amazon. The correct answer is C. Microsoft. Microsoft has launched a program called AI Innovate Program. The program was launched in support of supporting the startup ecosystem in India. Program will support those startups that are leveraging artificial intelligence. Leveraging artificial intelligence. It is a 10-week initiative to support and help startups in India in driving innovation. And the sixth question is, according to Global Food Security Index 2021, what is the India's rank in the index? The options are A. Not first, B. 71st, C. 81st, and D. 91st. The correct answer is B. 71st. India is ranked at 71st position in the Global Food Security Index 2021 of 113 countries. Earlier, India was ranked 101st position in the Global Hunger Index 2021. The 2021 GFSI, the 10th edition of the index, is published every year. The overall score of India is 57.2 points in the Global Food Security Index 2021. The GFS index designed and constructed by London-based economist Beck. GFS index measures the factors affecting food insecurity around the world based on four main factors: affordability, availability, quality, and safety, and natural resources and resilience. The seventh question is, who among the following will be launching a new social network, Truth Social? The options are A. Janadella, B. Sundar Pichai, C. Donald Trump, and D. Mark Zuckerberg. And the correct answer is C. Donald Trump. Former President Trump will be launching a new social network, Truth Social. It will be a part of a new company named Trump Media and Technology Group. Truth Social app is up for pre-registration in Apple App Store. Its beta version will be available to only invites from November 2021. However, it will be rolled out country-wide first quarter of 2022. The eighth question is, which of the following to receive first consignment of nano nitrogen liquid fertilizer from India? The options are A. Maldives, B. UAE, C. Thailand, and D. Sri Lanka. The correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka receives first consignment of nano nitrogen liquid fertilizer from India. India sent 3.1 million liters of high quality non-harmful nano nitrogen liquid fertilizer. The fertilizer will help Sri Lanka in the cultivation of maize and paddy. Nano nitrogen liquid fertilizer was developed by Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited with the objective of addressing imbalanced and excessive use of conventional urea. It has been developed indigenously for the first time in the world. Going to the military exercise, UK and India are set to launch the biggest joint military exercise, Konkan Shakti. Konkan Shakti is the first tri-service exercise between India and United Kingdom. Konkan Shakti is the first tri-service exercise between India and United Kingdom. Acharya Warrior is an army exercise between both the countries. It is ongoing in Uttarakhand, in which about 120 British soldiers are participating. And going to the award section, European Parliament awarded the Sakharov Prize for Human Rights to Alexei Navalny. Sakharov Prize set up in 1988 and named after Soviet dissident Andrei Sakharov. Awarded every year to those fighting for human rights or democracy. European Parliament awards the Sakharov Prize with 50,000 euros endowment. First prize was awarded jointly Nelson Mandela and Anatoly Marchin. Coming to the one-liners today. Dearness allowance for central government employees hiked 3% from 28% to 31%. National Women's Boxing Championship to be held in Hisar, Haryana from October 21st to October 27. India achieves the landmark 1 billion COVID-19 vaccinations mark on 21st October 2021. National Police Museum was inaugurated by PM Modi in Delhi on the occasion of Police Commemoration Day. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.